Hey guys, I'm Madeline and I run social here at Youth to the People, and I'm here to talk to you about our new Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. So when you hear mask, you may think of a traditional mask that you wear for 10 or 15 minutes and then wash off. This is going to be a different experience. You're going to apply this before you go to bed, it's going to absorb into your skin, and you're going to sleep with it on. It's not going to get on your pillows or on your sheets, and it's going to deliver incredible results while you sleep. Our Dream Mask was formulated to treat two major concerns: dryness and uneven skin tone. It has an incredible 4-part hydrating system that includes squalane and hyaluronic acid. So you're going to get noticeable plumping and deep hydration all night long. It also has a new form of vitamin C called THD ascorbate. It's the latest clinically proven form of vitamin C, and it actually penetrates into the skin better than earlier forms of vitamin C, so you get brighter, more even skin. Our Superberry complex is going to give your skin a dose of super antioxidants. This is amazing if you live anywhere where there's pollution, if you're around smoke, if you drive a car, or honestly, just live in a modern world. Your skin is exposed to all kinds of oxidative stressors, and this is going to help battle those. Just like all of our products, the Dream Mask is 100% vegan, cruelty-free. It doesn't have silicones, parabens, phthalates, no artificial fragrances or colors, just good stuff.